Guys, welcome to another episode of Hooked Up Fishing. I just got out here on 1097. Got a real nice wind today, 37 degrees. I'll get back with y'all when I get on the fish. I'm gonna have y'all looking at the screen mostly today because it's just serious business. I gotta try to take care of my business, get off of this water while it's cold. It's nice out here, but I know it's gonna cool off under that bridge. So try to get some real good footage from the camera. Hopefully fish are still holding. It's been almost a month since I've been out here, and I'll keep you guys posted as I go along. Hit those subscribe buttons, man. Let them subscriptions come up and get back with you guys when I get on these crappie. We're targeting crappie. I showed you the jigs already. I think I covered everything. I got Ollie out here that I did his live scope, and then Jerry that I did his live scope, and he bought my saltwater kayak. So Jerry, my childhood friend, is supposed to be out here putting in on the west end. I'm putting in on the east end. We're going to fish our way towards each other. If the winds get too high, I'll abort the mission, but for right now, it's a go. Later. I hadn't seen any fish, not crappie, on these pilings on the east side, not the beginning pilings. 1, 2, 3, I'm coming up to 4 now, and just not seeing any fish on them. So there's always something up there around 7 and 8. I don't know what it is, but it didn't respond over there, so I don't even want to try it over here. No, it's not a crappie, not at 7 or 8 foot in this cold water. Hey Oli, I didn't get you on camera. That's live footage right there, man. So what's happening, guys, is this is Oli, that's his partner, this hog hunters, okay? So I hooked up Oli with his live scope last night. He went right over there. What a crappie at? Yeah. What a crappie at? Over in that tree. No, I'm saying you caught one. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What you talking about, man? You can't get on camera talking about I got one. I want to see. Man, here, man. Let me find out you don't know how to. Man, this is the real deal Holyfield. So anyway, he came right out here, went over there to Scott's Ridge, man, and he done got him a. He say hog hunters. Guess what? Hog hunter got his hand on him. A Lake Conroe slab. Yeah, man, that's a nice fish. So just that quick, I got you on fish. You didn't have no battery. I'm, you know, that's what hooked up fishing do, man. It gets you hooked up.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. Come on aboard then. If you want to roll with the hard hitter today, come on aboard. Top dollar with the gold fleet collar gonna eat good today, boy. Just big hybrids hanging around. Big hybrids. Alright, stop playing with you. Gonna put you in the boat. Cut all that out. Cut all that out. That turned out to be a big hybrid, y'all. I don't know what he is. We'll see. think he's like 20. Hard hitter hand tie. So that's what's suspending down there at like 25. These big hybrids. Yeah, buddy. I know that's right. He's 19. Right in the corner of the jaw. Got that hard hitter hand tie there. 19 inches, y'all. It's like that. I always figure out a way to have me some fun, so lets me know my system is working great when I can target those fish right where they're at, right at the depth that they're at, and then get them to respond to that hand tie. So that ain't the crappie. So you let your line get up against the column. That's what Hog Hunter was telling you. When this wind is like this, you got to be able to control your jig. You can't let it blow up under that column. And in the middle of it, out here, there's a beam that goes across. There's a support beam down in the water. Sometimes the fish will get up under there. So the further you go out on this bridge, you'll see them cross beams. Only when you pull your line out, I always flip the bell over and make the drag pull it out. Cause I don't want to play with them hybrids. I'm gonna keep trying to find the crappie. Huh? What, the hybrids? I just did. You can't say you can't. All you gotta do is say you can. You see? Underneath? Let me see. I'll go shoot and see. Them hybrids. Them hybrids. That's what I just caught. You don't see them big marks that long, man. Them hybrids. You can get them, but you better be ready. Yeah, I don't want them. I mean, I don't want to. No, I'm crappie fishing, man. I ain't finna sit here and fight them hybrids. I'm gonna keep going, and hopefully I see some crappie school up like that. I'm at 20. They're towards the end, and then what you do, you open your map, close your map in tight, and you can see all the brush piles that are here. You know, you can't have it like zoomed in right around you. You got to spread it out, like where you can see all the way to the mouth, and then you'll see brush piles, and then know there's some on that corner, that corner. Oh, I got to hit that corner. I don't know if that was a catfish. I need to dip my jig. Okay. Oh no, I got him. Baby crappie. Alright, well that was our crappie. Alright. Dip my jig and try to see if I can work it. Okay, Jerry. Shouldn't even be showing that fish. Okay, this wind is making it a tough fish because it's shooting me straight down the alley like this. Those fish are inside. They're inside the column. So I'm having to try to get over there to them, and it's gonna take a little maneuvering with the Hobie. That's all. that hard, and then they small fish. Barely legal. If that. Got a fan that's put his nose in. He's a legal fish, that's it. But on a tough winter day, a legal fish is a legal fish. See, can I work some of them out of there and get a better fish? Out of there on the first drop, and then the next drop, good night Irene. I'm back in there again. I ain't just watching my jig just here. Now I'm gonna watch it, see where it's at. I need to tell this dude, oh Lord, that's a nice crappie. Oh no, it ain't. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Out to the open lake. Lord, man, this fish running like a freight train. Golly. Man, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. That's it. I think I'm allowed only 3 anyway. That's it. Top dollar gonna get tired of eating. I mean, head shakes like ain't nobody's business, Red. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what you can't. I mean, he got it double over. I can't gain nothing yet. I just gotta let him do his thing. Cause I mean, they take off like somebody poured hot water on him. I mean, they ain't making a mad dash back towards the bridge. 100 miles an hour. God. All I'm doing is holding on, trying to keep up. Man, this gotta be a real big one. The other one was 22. This fool here might be pushing some real numbers because he ain't even showed up like that other one. God. Woo. Lord, that's a big old hop. And that's it. I done had enough. I'm gonna leave that pile alone. I was thinking there was some crappie up in there with it. I know there was a crappie in there with y'all. Golly. I mean, big old hop. 20, 22, 20. Yeah, boy. Let me get in tighter. I see, okay, I ain't hauling nobody in all the way. Number one. Go all the way to the west end and get to the night like that. Oh. Y'all got to clean out in the yard, huh? Okay. These waves are so rough and they're white capping to where when I dropped that buoy, it was way over there where the brush pile was at. But every time a wave hits that buoy, it unrolls line and unrolls line. See it flipping? It's just constantly unrolling line. So I have no idea, you know, where that brush pile is at until I actually go up past that, because you can see it on the camera. It's 24 foot away. So that buoy has drifted 24 feet away from where I originally dropped it. So it's almost impossible to stay on a pile out here today, in this open water in my kayak. Rough one. Oh yeah. Ooh man. God dog. God dog. Look at the head on there. Man. Look out, look at the size of that magnolia crappie, man. That's a big magnolia crappie, partner. 14-inch magnolia crappie. 14-inch magnolia crappie. Just like that. I just stayed at it. "14-inch magnolia crappie, man." I just stayed at it with that hard hitter hand tie. 14-inch Magnolia Crappie. Guys, I'm all rigged up. It's that original silver, white, and gold. I got Joe Dirt. That's old Joe Dirt on my old original 45-plus-year-old crappie combo, which, you know, I keep showing y'all. Lew's Browning, man. High-powered graphite rod, and that reel is the original Lew's Childress Speed Spool BB1 LG Browning down at the bottom there. Browning. Yep, it's the original. Loading the footage from that install I just did. I just finished up on Oli's 3G bass boat. He's got a 126 SV. He'll be out there tomorrow. And let me go out and put these reels on my... Oh, and then I got the original pressure, silver with the pressure tail on my other 8-foot ACC crappie stick. These two ACC 8-footers are for fishing the bridge. I'm able to maneuver under there without too much of a problem. And that's it. Let me go get these on the kayak and get ready to get after them in the morning. Hooked up fishing that hard hitter, man. "13 minutes to 11. I gotta get me some rest to get up at 4 in the morning. Found them on the back side of that column there, and I'm working on them. It's just a hard day to fish. High winds, terrible conditions. Still making it happen. Fred, that's that silver make them shiver with that pressure tail. Eating it up. Box starting to look decent now. Shoot. Man. Earned every penny of this one. Every penny of this day. Get my stuff together here. They see it, they smashing it. Trying to get in position is tough in this wind and wave, but when I do, it's been worth it. It's pretty good fish. That's tough. Whoa. That ain't the hog I was looking for, but they're responding. Today, 11-inch fish is all good legal fishing. Good today. Fishing is too tough to turn them away. Go, Red. Hold on. Yeah, Red. Yeah. I don't know if they use that creek as much as they use these ones on this where my partner took me. Man, he took me, man. You be going up in that back, look like where them folks on them scary movies be living, man. It be back in them channels, them old houses on the channel about to fall in and back up in there, you know, and shoot. He said that's where they murdered him because they brought the lily pads and it was all kind of stuff back up in there. And we did do good, but he told me, he said, after this ain't nothing. He said, I come back in here and you just, you know, get a barber and have it, you know, a foot or two under the water and throw up in there. He said, they disappear every time, you know. But it's just, you know, everything's seasonal. But he knew him, and that guy Mike Webb. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a better crappie. Yes, sir. Found a way to get me some meat. Get me some meat. There ain't nothing to write home about. I'm talking about nothing. 10 and a half, 10 and a half, 10 and a half. That's all we're getting. Working hard to get them. They over there in them trees. Time again. Wind is just so high. gotta do, bring it right there on them. Oh boy. That wasn't even worth it. Well, thank you for the strike. That's all it was a strike. They're there. That's all them was keepers. Boy. But thank you, Father. I'm just getting keepers. They eat good too. 11-inch fish. Plucking. That's all I'm doing is plucking and plucking. Plucking one here, pluck one there, plucking one everywhere. Boy. Eat my apple and get on up out of here. It's gonna get late, get cool. My brother want me to check the house out. It's already 2. So by the time I get to the thing, it's 3. By the time I get on the road, it's 4. And then it's been traffic. I don't see no bunch of fish. That'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscriptions, comments. Close it out right here. Lake Conroe. High winds. I still mustered out some fish. Ole caught fish with his new unit. I helped him rig up. That was the bait of choice today. That's all I dropped. I just pulled whatever was on my rod. That's what I fished with. Put it on there last night. Pretty much new. I caught them on Palestine with that color, so I put that color to work. And it caught everything in the box there. Big hybrids, some big crappie, some nice keepers. See what I ended up with. 2, 3, I know I ain't got but about 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 crappie, 3 big hybrids. Hooked up fishing, a hard hitter. I'm out of here. Hit that subscribe button, man. Share. Like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it. I'll let y'all later. Oh, I had the thing upside down. Like, share, and subscribe, man. I had it sideways. Sitting sideways. Yeah. 8 nice crappie. Some real big hybrids. 22, 20, 21-inch hybrids. 3 big hybrids. I'll do a fish thing when I get to the house. Had to come all the way over to the west end to get some crappie. They weren't on the east end. I got a long haul to get back in these rough seas. But it's all good. That's why they call me the hard hitter. I'm gonna fade it. Get my apple and munch and get on up out of here. Later. 8 crappie, some monster hybrids, 22-inch hybrids. Big old hybrids. Sorry, buddy. About 8 throwbacks, a bunch of small fish today.
About 2 o'clock one morning, about flat tide.
That ain't the hog I was looking for, but they're responding. Today, 11-inch fish is all good legal fish. Good. Fishing is too tough to turn them away. Found them on the back side of that column there. I'm working on them. Buddy. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, buddy. Don't let me find you, boy. Don't let me find you. I'm having to really work hard to stay on the fish. Not having a problem once I get that hard hitter hand tie in there on. Perfect hook set. Beautiful fish. Got table for plucking them up out of there. Get the rest of the fish. Gotta get some fish.